It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
And battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good afternoon one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I came up with one more short video where we will discuss to fill the table that was given in the puzzle. So this puzzle will be very interesting based on movies. So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma and these are my scores in different examinations and these are my credentials. Now when you use my code NLN10, apart from the 10% discount what you get, now you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and DSC and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and DSC. Now, when you use my code, is it only me? No, you will get my entire group guidance right from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, at last finally to me. Now, what is the difference between Iconic and Plus? And when you choose Iconic, what are the advantages that you get when compared to Plus? More advantages. Now, in Plus, you will be exposed with live classes, and in this live classes will be in English and Hindi, and there will be different types of courses and batches in these live classes, right? Comprehensive course, crash course, rank improvement batch, doubt solving sessions, weekly test. Now, you will get all those things in Iconic. In Iconic exclusively, you will be getting a personal coach. Now, who will be your guide up to your interview process? For example, right? So, if a CSC guy, right, computer science engineering guy, took Iconic subscription, so automatically he will be given access with Ravindra Babu Raula sir's Raudra also. I mean, everybody can access, so I'm giving the advantages for the students, right? So each and every topic you will get instant study material. Every test will be analyzed, right? So that your weak points can be made as very strong so that you can boost your score. Now, when you are opting for Plus and when you are choosing for 24 month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 50 rupees per day, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now when you use my code NLN10, you will get 10% discount, and after 10% discount the price will be 39,600, and for 12 months it will be 27,225 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Coming to Iconic, it will be 45,225 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 24 months. Yes, if you are expecting more discount, do try to write Combat, which happens on every Sunday 11 AM. So you can get discount at least 25% to 100% based upon the marks what you obtain in the Combat. Yes, you can unlock the Combat using my code NLN10. And the next Combat will be on June 20th and June 27th. So do try to attempt this Combat and get more discount on the subscription. Chalo yaar, let's start our discussion. Yes, now this is the question asked in one examination. So I got this question there. Now observe the data. As I said, the basic point is you have to diagrammatically represent the data. Unless until if you read this data twice, automatically 5 to 6 minutes will get wasted, and it's mere waste for the examination, right? Pictorially representing the data is the very good task in LR, logical reasoning. Observe the question there. In the National Film Festival, 10 films N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are to be screened in 5 days from Monday to Friday in 2 sessions, in the morning and in the evening it seems. So 10 films, 5 days, each day 2 movies, morning and evening session. The above movies are in 5 different languages: Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Bengali and Malayalam. There are 2 movies of each language. So out of 10 films, 1 language, 2 films. Am I right? Yes. The following information is known about the screening of these movies. First point is, no 2 movies of same language should be screened on a day, and the 2 movies of a particular language should be screened in such a way that one is in morning session and the other is in evening session. For suppose अब देखो Tuesday, let us take, there must be no Bengali, Malayalam, Tamil combination. And again one more point, as you know, each language contains 2 films. If one film is screened in morning session, the other has to be screened in evening session on other day. Yes, got my point there? Yes. Now, it is also known that neither Q nor N is a Tamil movie. So, I'll write down this point here. Yeah, already the table was given there. So, neither Q nor N is a Tamil movie. So, I'll write down this point. So, that this point might be helpful to fill my data perfectly. So, I'll cross off this. Yes, perfectly. Come to the previous point there. No 2 days should have the movies of same combination of languages being screened. Let us suppose take like this. See here, there is Telugu Hindi combination. Na? There must be no other Telugu Hindi combination. Yes, this is the point given there. You must not repeat the same combination on the other day. That's the point there. Come to third point. So first one is filled, second one is okay, fine. Each of the movies QVW is not a Malayalam movie and is to be screened before the screening of O, irrespective of the session it is in. So ab dekho, see here, movie Q, movie V, movie W. They are not Malayalam movies it seems. So finally what I will do is, they are not Malayalam movies it seems, and they have to be screened before O. So I'll write down like this. They have to be screened before O is screened. Now closely observe, there already O is there here. O is there here. Now automatically Q, V, W has to be up. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Let's come to the next point. A Telugu movie is screened before a Malayalam movie. So already Malayalam there in the mornings, Monday morning session, there is no chance of screening Telugu movie above Malayalam. It has to be in evening chance only. Let's fill it later. V, a Hindi movie, is to be screened on Tuesday. So I'll write down this point there. V, a Hindi movie, already S is in evening session. So automatically V has to be in morning session. Ab dekho, yes, Hindi movie. Now by this I can fill more points here. With this point, yes, I can fill more points. Ab dekho, there are 5 different languages: Malayalam, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil. Now see here, in the morning session, you have to fill only 2 languages are left over, Bengali and Tamil. You cannot fill Bengali because Bengali combination is not valid. So damn surely, this has to be Bengali movie. Okay, this has to be Bengali movie. So for your convenience, I'll write down like this: N O P Q R S T U V W. Now by this I can confirm this U and V are Hindi movies. Are there any other movies that you can confirm? Yes, let's come there. What is the next point given? Ab dekho, see here, and you can damn surely say this is a Tamil movie. This is a Tamil movie. And again, I will take one more point here. So see here, this is the point there. A Telugu movie is to be screened before a Malayalam movie, it seems. Let's come to the point there. I cannot fill Malayalam here. My only chances are here or here. Let us suppose if I make Malayalam here, automatically Telugu movie has to be on Monday. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So ab dekho, if Telugu, Malayalam, Tamil has to be here, but this combination is not valid because already Bengali Tamil combo is over. You cannot fill again Bengali Tamil combo. So by this, what can I say? Here Malayalam cannot be filled. So automatically here has to be Malayalam, and that will be filled perfectly. And देखो यार, now can Telugu be filled here? No, because Telugu Hindi combo is over. So automatically the first has to be Telugu. So see here, this is what I have filled the table there. The following table gives partial information of the schedule. Already some information is given there. So this has to be damn surely what? Tamil only. Am I right or wrong? So yes is a Tamil movie. Perfectly done. Yes, all the things are done. Yes is a Tamil movie. And again, let us fill one more point there. Is there any points that has to be filled? Ab dekho again, QVW is not a Malayalam movie, has to be filled before O. Let's fill this. Let's come to this point. W is to be screened one day before the day P is screened, it seems. Ab dekho, see here, W is a movie that has to be screened before O and also before P. Now these two are before O only. So consider this point carefully. These are before O only. So W is a movie that has to be damn surely screened before O and before P. Ab dekho. If I fill P here, W cannot be filled here because V and S are already overfilled it. I cannot fill P here. The only chance where I can fill P is, ab dekho, if I can fill P here, if I fill P here, W has to be filled exactly here. But according to the condition, W is not a Malayalam movie. So all these chances are negated. So the only chance left over, P has to be Malayalam movie. Ab dekho, Wednesday, and there is a confusion, either Tamil or Bengali. We don't know. So I will write down these both cases. W can be in morning session. W can be in evening session. Let's write down all the choices there. Don't worry about that. Now dekho. Now before O, Q, V, W has to be filled. W is filled here, yeah. V is filled here, yeah. The only chance where you can fill Q is, ab dekho, again one more point. I can fill you with one more point. Is there any other point that to be? T is to be screened in the morning session before any Tamil movie is screened, it seems. Ab dekho, T before Tamil, there is only one chance, T. So T is a Malayalam movie. So T, P are Malayalam movies. So T, P are Malayalam movies. So I can write down like this. So T, P are Malayalam movies. Okay, now what are the leftover things? O is over. O is Bengali movie. I'll write down here. O is Bengali movie. So automatically I'll write down the points. Movies which cannot be filled. I didn't fill M here. I didn't fill Q here. I didn't fill R here. So W we have probability. Bengali are right. Now let's come to the point very clearly. In Wednesday, you have a chance of W. Can you have a chance of N? No, N is not a Tamil movie. Can you have a chance of Q? No, there is no chance there. Yes, R and W are the chances there. Perfectly done. Ab dekho, if this is W, now this must not be W. If this is R, this has to be W. So W and R must move in between these things only. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Ab dekho, before O, Q, V, W has to be planned. W is over, V is over. So the only thing left over is Q only. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly right. And automatically N has to be filled here. And we don't know, right? It can be N. It can be R also, and Bengali can be N also. Am I right or wrong? So all these choices will be there here. Bengali can be N. So W, N can be. So see here, N can be there, W can be there, Q can be there. So we cannot fill this point perfectly. So I'll keep it aside like this. So let's come to the questions clearly. Then we can solve each. Every point is filled now. Yes, every point is filled. I will tick down the points there. Yes, perfectly done. Let's come to the questions clearly, then we can make it very, very easy. Come to the question. What is the movie screened on Wednesday morning session? Wednesday morning, it can be W, it can be R. Can you say both options are there and your option is cannot be determined? Perfectly done, right? I think there is no issue regarding this. W and R. Is it clear? Yes, perfectly it is clear. Let's come to the next question. Which language movie maybe means probability on the same day on which a Malayalam movie is screened? On a day where Malayalam movie is screened, Telugu is screened, Bengali is screened. Either Telugu or Bengali or both. There is no Bengali, there is only one option and your option only one. Perfectly filled. Now, which of the following can be a correct combination of language and the movie screened on Wednesday? अब देखो on Wednesday a Tamil movie WRR. अब देखो a Tamil movie 1A or 1C. Is there any 1A combination? There is no 1A combination. So automatically, see here, there is 1C combination or can be, it seems. It is not damn surely a probability. Now see here, your C option works out. An evening session 2AW, it seems. Yes, it can be a combination perfectly. Perfectly done. Let's come to the next one. Which of the following is the correct combination of the language and the movie screened on Thursday evening? Thursday evening is a Malayalam movie and it is P. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Thursday evening, it's a Malayalam movie and P movie. Is there any option? 1A. No, sorry. 3A. 3A. Yes, C option. Perfectly done. Yes. Now see here, you can fill the table very perfectly here. If W is a Bengali movie. If W is a Bengali movie, which of the following is true? Ab dekho, I'll write down this there. So see here, as I said, there are many choices now. So I'll write down in reading because this is the question related to if this is W and this has to be R. Now you can fill it damn surely. This is Q because it has to be before O and this has to be N damn surely. Now let me know your answer there here. If the R is a Telugu movie screened on Friday, is it true? No, R is not a Telugu movie. First option is wrong. N is not a Telugu movie. No, N is a Telugu movie only. Yes, perfectly. N is a Telugu movie. It is also wrong. Q is a Telugu movie. Is it a Telugu movie? Yes, Q is a Telugu movie and your C option is true. Now, fourth option is missing here, but okay, we got the correct answer with the C option itself. Did I wrote in the next slide? No. Now, this is one such beautiful puzzle. So, do try to watch those puzzle, and if any doubts, you can ping me on the Telegram group personally. The Telegram group link is in the description. Yes. So, my request is, those who want to unlock combats, yes, you can use my code NLN10 to unlock the combats. As I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and DSC category, if you want to be your guide, yes, you can use my code NLN10 for these categories, right? You can buy plus subscription using my code, and you can buy Iconic using my code. Yes, you can unlock free classes on Unacademy also using my code. Yes. And the price for plus for 12 months will be 27,225 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Coming to Iconic, it will be 45,225 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 24 months, right? So this code is gateway for all your guidance, right? Thank you, and let's meet with one more short video. And before that, this is the link to follow me on Unacademy. As I am conducting tests on Unacademy, do download the app and try to attend the test, which will be helpful for your examinations. And please like the session, share it, and subscribe to the channel. You can get more initiatives like this. So I will be getting you very interesting puzzles in the coming classes also. So do try to hit the like button if you like the session, share it and subscribe. Thank you.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
And battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you,
Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
to bring out the best in you.
Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you.
Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy